Yo, what it is, man? He was cooking in the hood with Rock. True story. Yeah, I'm about to try something. How y'all been? Yeah, I've been fine. For the most part, still here breathing. You know. I know I ain't been on here in a while, but today I'm about to try something. But I'm gonna take it throwback. Yeah, you see it. You see the number on there. I don't know what this is. If y'all seen this before, let me know. Yeah. Emotion. I don't know what it is. I'm trying them out, man. See what it tastes like. Yeah, I ain't big on wines or whatever it is. But I happen to find this. And I'm about to see what it's about. If I could work my cork right. My corkscrew. Let me hear if it pop like that. Nah, he ain't pop too loud though. He ain't pop too loud though. Yeah. You about to see what goes on with this here, man. Bear with me. I did get it out the wine area, so it's definitely a wine. Not a bubbly. A light smell, not a strong smell. Strong sweet smell, no. Let's see what's going on. Kick back. I know one thing. She dry. She dry. I had to put a little. She's so dry. I gotta put a little. Let me bust this pineapple on it. And mimosa this thing. How about that? All right. Now we're gonna see what this bring out in the world. Del Monte, very good. Let's see where we go. Oh, like I said, emotion, I like it, on point, with a little pineapple juice. Now she dry by herself, but once you wrap some of this pineapple juice around it, that's when it become a true story. See, I need a mug, so I can't be doing this little cute glass. See, this what I need. Here's Cooking in the Hood with Rock. True story. Go check it out. Like, subscribe, hit that. Out of here.